Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. The title of our today's video is How to Send WhatsApp Message to Facebook Leads for Counseling Business. So I'm running a counseling business, and to promote my business, I'm running lead ads. And I want that whenever I receive a new lead, an automated WhatsApp message should be sent to all my leads. For this, we have to create an integration between Facebook and WhatsApp. To create this integration, we are going to use Pabbly. It is an amazing automation software. In Pabbly, we have concept of trigger and action. So for trigger, we are going to use Facebook, and for action, we are going to use WhatsApp. If you want to learn this process step by step, follow me through the screen. So in this video, we are going to understand that how can we send an automated WhatsApp message to all our Facebook leads for our counseling business. So I'm running a counseling business named Mindful Solutions, and to promote my business, I'm running lead ads. And I want that whenever I receive a new lead, automatically all my leads should be sent an automated WhatsApp message. For this, we have to create an integration between WhatsApp and Facebook. To create this integration, we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation software. So as you can see that this is the landing page of Pabbly, and over here we have two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up for free. I'm going to click on sign in because I am an existing user. But if you are a new user, you can click on sign up for free and you will get 100 of tasks free every month. As soon as I click on sign in, it is opening all Pabbly apps. Over here you can see all the apps and tools offered by Pabbly. But in today's video and in today's automation, we are going to select Pabbly Connect because we want to connect two applications, that is Facebook and WhatsApp. So I'm going to click on Access Now. And after that, it is opening my dashboard. And to start with the automation, I'm going to click on this button over here which says Create Workflow. As soon as I click on Create Workflow, it is asking me the workflow name and the folder I want to save the workflow in. So I want to save the workflow in this folder which is saying Facebook Lead Ads to WhatsApp Automation. And I want to name my workflow as Facebook Lead Ads to WhatsApp for Counseling Business. You can save the workflow in your desired folder and also name the workflow as you desire. After that, we are going to click on this button which is saying Create. After clicking on the Create button, it is opening my workflow window. This is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. By this, you can understand that the trigger is the commander for the workflow and actions follow the command. And as you know that we can have only a single commander but multiple followers. So over here, we can only have a single trigger but multiple actions. So we are going to start with the automation and we are going to select our trigger application, that is Facebook Lead Ads. And then we are going to select our trigger event, that is New Lead Instant. I'm selecting New Lead Instant because I want that whenever I receive a new lead, automatically the WhatsApp message should be sent to that lead instantly. If you don't want this process to happen instantly, you can select New Lead too. After selecting my desired trigger event, that is New Lead Instant, I'm going to click on Connect. If you already have connected your Facebook Lead Ads account with your Pabbly's workflow, you can select existing connection, but I'm going to click on add a new connection and then connect with Facebook Lead Ads. After that, I'm going to select my Facebook account and click on continue. And yes, you can see that we have successfully connected our Facebook Lead Ads account to our Pabbly's workflow. After connecting our account, it is asking me the page and the lead gen form. So for page, I'm going to select Mindful Solutions. So I'm going to search for Mindful Solutions, select my page, and then it is asking me to select a lead gen form. So I'm going to select the lead gen form as counseling lead out forms, but if you want your desired form, you can select from here. And I want that only the leads of this particular form should be sent an automated WhatsApp message. If you want to do this automation for all your forms, you can select all lead gen forms, but I'm going to select this form. And if you want to learn how to create a new lead gen form, you can check out our YouTube channel. After that, we are going to click on Save and Send Test Request. After clicking on Save and Send Test Request, it is saying waiting for a webhook response. This means that Pabbly is waiting to capture a Facebook response, a new lead. So we are going to create a dummy lead for Pabbly. We are going to open a new tab, search for Meta for Developers. Then we are going to click on More and then Tools. After that, we are going to select Lead Ads RTO Debug Tool. And yes, we have successfully opened our lead ads testing tool And now it is asking me the page and the lead gen form. So for page, I'm going to select Mindful Solutions. And for form, I'm going to select Counseling Lead Ads form. You can select a desired form you are creating the automation for. After that, I'm going to click on Preview Form. I'll enter the dummy details. After entering all the dummy details, I'm going to click on Next and then Submit. And as you can see that it is saying your test lead has been sent. So this means that Facebook Lead Ads testing tool has submitted and forwarded the lead to our Pabbly's workflow. So we'll open our Pabbly's workflow and check that if Pabbly has captured the lead or not. And yes, you can see the dummy name and the dummy email and the dummy phone number that we entered in our lead ads testing tool. So this means that we have received a positive response and our trigger step is successful. So we'll move on to our action step. Select the action application as WhatsApp Cloud API. After selecting the action application, we are going to select the action event as Send Template Message. And then we are going to click on Connect. Again, it is asking me to add a new connection or select the existing connection. So if you have connected your WhatsApp Cloud API account with Pabbly's workflow, you can select the existing connection, but I haven't, so I'm going to click on Add a New Connection. After clicking on Add a New Connection, it is asking me the token, the phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. For this, we have to open our API setup, and if you want to learn how to do your API setup, you can check out our YouTube channel. So I'm going to open my API setup. So this is my API setup, and as you can see, I've created a temporary access token, the phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. So I'll just copy all the details from here and paste it in my Pabbly's account. So first we'll start with token, but it is a temporary access token and this token will expire in 23 hours. If you want to create a permanent token, you can again check out our YouTube channel. So I'll just copy the temporary access token, the phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID and paste it in my Pabbly's account. So after pasting the token, the phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID, I'm going to click on Save. You can see that we have successfully connected our WhatsApp Cloud API account with our Pabbly's workflow, and now it is asking me the template name, the language code and the selected template ID. So to know this, we'll again go to Meta for Developers. And as you can see that it is saying to create your own message template, click here. And as soon as I click there, it is opening this. Over here, you can see all the templates that I have created in my account. And if you want to create a new template, you can click on Create Template button over here. But I want to select one from this only, that is Facebook Lead Message. So I'm going to select Facebook Lead Message as my template name. And you can see that Pabbly detected the language code and the template ID automatically. I don't have to change this or select this. After that, we are going to map the recipient mobile number. So mapping means inserting data from the previous step, and as you know, our previous step was the trigger step where we selected Facebook Lead Ads as our trigger application. So we are going to map the data from our trigger application response only. So it is asking me the recipient mobile number, so I am going to map the dummy mobile number, and then it is asking me body field 1 example dummy user. So what does this mean? So for this, to let you know this, I will have to show you the template I created. So as you can see, this is the template I have created for all my leads, and over here you can see it is saying hello 1 in curly brackets. So this means that 1 is a variable, and as soon as I'll receive a new lead, automatically this 1 will change with the lead's name, so that all my leads will receive a more personalized message. And over here, 1 is dynamic because it is in curly brackets. So we are going to select body field 1 as our demo lead name. After mapping body field 1 and recipient mobile number, I am going to click on Save and Send Test Request. But before clicking on this, I am going to replace the demo number with my original number so that I can show you the WhatsApp message received and the response received. After replacing the dummy mobile number with my original mobile number, I am going to click on Save and Send Test Request. So as you can see that we have received a response, and this is a positive response because it is saying message status accepted. So we'll go to our WhatsApp and check that if we have received a WhatsApp message from WhatsApp Cloud API number or not. And yes, you can see that we have received a WhatsApp message that is saying hello test user, Thank you for showing interest in our offerings, all the message that we have created in our template, and then thank you and regards. This means that our workflow is successful, so we'll just try the workflow once again. So we'll directly open our lead ads testing tool, delete the previous lead and refresh the page. It is really important to delete the previous lead and refresh the page, otherwise you'll not be able to preview the form or create a new lead. After that, we are going to select our page and form again. So for that, I'm going to select Mindful Solutions. And for our form, we are going to select Counseling Lead Ad Forms. And then we are going to click on Preview Form. Again, we are going to enter the dummy details. After entering all the dummy details, I'm going to click on Next and then Submit. And again it is saying your test lead has been sent. This means that lead ads testing tool has sent the lead to Pabbly's workflow, and then Pabbly has sent an automated WhatsApp message to my new lead. So I'll directly go to WhatsApp and check that if I have received the message or not. We are not going again to the workflow and clicking on Save and Send Test Request. We will directly open our WhatsApp. And yes, you can see that we have received a new message with Hello Dummy User. It is the new dummy name that we entered. And again the same templated message, thank you and regards. This means that our workflow is successful. So we'll just summarize the workflow once. For our trigger application, we selected Facebook lead ads. For our trigger event, we selected new lead instant. Then we clicked on connected. We selected our page and the lead gen form. After that, we clicked on save and send test request. Then we generated a dummy lead and received a dummy response. After that, we moved to our action step, and for our action application, we selected WhatsApp Cloud API. For our action event, we selected sent template message. We connected our WhatsApp Cloud API account with our Pabbly's workflow. And then we selected the template name. Pabbly detected the language code and the template ID. After that, we mapped a mobile number and the body field 1, that was the variable. And then we again clicked on Save and Send Test Request. So this means that our workflow is successful, and if you have any query, you can directly comment on this video. I'll just share the workflow link in the description box so you can clone the workflow and start your automation. Thank you for watching. Not only these two applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can integrate many more applications. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this website. And if you find this video helpful, do like and subscribe our channel for more such automations. Thank you.